Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix the PayPal error saying we're having trouble making sure it's you. First, this issue usually happens when PayPal can't verify your identity due to unusual login activity, new device, or network changes. To fix this, start by logging in from a trusted device and a familiar internet connection, preferably your home Wi-Fi instead of mobile data or a VPN. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies, or try using a different browser altogether. Sometimes stored data causes verification problems. If that doesn't work, open the PayPal app instead of the website, or vice versa. Now, make sure your phone number and email linked to your account are active, because PayPal may send a verification code. If you're not receiving codes, double-check your contact details. Also, turn off any VPN or proxy service, as PayPal often blocks those for security reasons. If the problem still continues, go to the Help section and contact PayPal support directly to verify your identity manually. And that's how you can fix this issue quickly and get back into your account. Subscribe the channel for more videos.